I'm Rusty Wissert. I'm the owner of American Heritage Restoration. We're a company that takes down old buildings and we save as much as we can, and then we put them up. We have about 13 acres that we're putting up a development. The outside would look mostly exactly like it looked originally. The inside is totally new. All our houses will have solar, geothermal, and spray foam insulation. Again, trying to get as efficient as we can. We have to try to think about the earth, try to save the earth as best we can. There was a home show up in Albany area, so Joan and I went and we walked around knowing we wanted to talk to people about solar. And we stopped at Kasselman, of course. We're just having a conversation, and it just feels like they're paying attention to you. They're not trying to sell you something right away. I was just very impressed with them. Kasselman's scenario is that we own the panels. There are some companies that you actually rent them. The nice part of this is when we're done paying for it, it's just pure profit to us. They came in, they made sure everything was centered and connected and it cleaned up. There wasn't anything left around when they were done at the end of the day. So like you didn't even know they were there. Very easy to have them come in and work with. This is my first house that we've done and we're selling. We'll have about 8 more. Again, all of them will have solar. So I tell everybody, if you want solar, go to Kasselman. I actually look forward to working with Kasselman on our future projects, and it'll be done correctly.